Bangladesh reported 6,830 more coronavirus cases, the highest number of infections in a day. Ignoring health guidelines, the MBBS admission test for the 2021 to 2022 academic session took place. United Kingdom banned passengers from Bangladesh and 3 other countries from next week. Due to corona surge, the Ministry of Livestock decided to shut Bangladesh National Zoo and Rangpur Zoo. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mytv News. I'm Alavi Jahan with in the newsroom today. You're watching headlines. Now the details. Bangladesh today reported 6,830 more coronavirus cases, the highest number of infections in a day, bringing the total number to 6,24,594 in the last 24 hours. 50 new deaths from the virus were recorded. With this, the country's coronavirus death tally stood at 9,155. The Health Directorate made the disclosure in a press release today. Of the total patients, 5,47,411 recovered, with 2,473 made recovery in the last 24 hours. The daily count came from tests of 29,339 samples in the past day. With this, a total of 47,28,113 samples have so far been tested. As the second wave of COVID-19 infections are wreaking havoc in the country, the MBBS admission test for the 2021 to 2022 academic session took place today morning, ignoring health guidelines. Some 1,22,874 students sat for the examination from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at 55 venues across the country for 4,350 seats in 47 government medical colleges. All examinees, invigilators and other officials were asked to strictly follow the health guidelines issued by the World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health. In addition, the entrances to the test centers were equipped with thermal scanners, disinfectant auto spray machines and hand sanitizers to measure the temperature. To hold the examination smoothly and prevent virus transmission, the Medical Education Directorate did not allow anyone to enter the exam centers without wearing face masks with high temperature and other symptoms of COVID-19. Travel from the Philippines, Pakistan, Kenya and Bangladesh to England is to be banned from next week, said the government. They are being added to England's red list amid concerns about the spread of new COVID-19 variants. An exception is made for British or Irish passport holders or people with UK residence rights, but they must first pay to quarantine in a government-approved hotel for 10 days during their stay. Passengers will have to take 2 coronavirus tests, but a negative test result does not mean they can shorten their time in quarantine. No direct flight bans from the 4 countries will be put in place, but passengers are advised to check their travel plans before departing for England. Nearly 40 countries are currently on the UK government's red list of countries from which travel is banned. The Ministry of Fisheries and Livestock has decided to shut Bangladesh National Zoo at Mirpur in the capital and Rangpur Zoo as the coronavirus infections alarmingly rose. 2 zoos will stay closed for the visitors from today until further notice, aiming to prevent the virus spread. Earlier on March 20 last year, the ministry announced the closure of Bangladesh National Zoo amid coronavirus outbreak. After 7 months, it decided to open the zoo on November 1st with some conditions. A man and his daughter were killed and his wife was injured as a sand-laden truck hit his motorbike in Tarabaria area under Pabna Sodor Zilla today morning. The deceased were identified as Mohammad Alamgir Hossain, son of Selim Molla at Chor Ashutoshpur under Pabna Sodar Upazila, and his daughter Sinha. The injured in his wife Nasrin Akhtar. Pabna Sodar Police Station officer in charge Nasim Ahmed. The accident took place around 9 a.m., killing the father and daughter on the spot, while his wife also injured. Angry people set fire to the truck after the incident. Police later rushed to the spot and seized the truck, but its driver managed to flee the scene. 3 people were burnt dead as a fire broke out at Kutupalong Bazar near Ukhia refugee camp on Thursday midnight. The deceased were sleeping in a shop, but they were not identified immediately. Several people were also injured in the incident. Several shops and other establishments were gutted in the fire. Fire servicemen brought the fire under control with an effort of 3 hours. The injured were rescued and admitted to various Thanks for being with us. To join with MyTV News online, visit /MyTV News. And to watch all our programs, visit /MyTV Bangla, Facebook/MyTV Bangla and Twitter/MyTV Bangla. Our next bulletin telecast in Bangla at 7:30 p.m. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.